Hello students, welcome in today's class. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic of microeconomics, that is demand. That means what is demand and what are the components that affect demand and what is the importance of demand. We are going to discuss about that. That means first, whenever the thing demand comes into your mind, what you will think about that? You will think that demand means something that I need. Demand means something that I require. Demand means something that must be there with me. But the things are not same like that. Because demand is a very important economic concept. We know that in an economy, to run an economy, we require resources or means. And means are limited or unlimited. They are limited or unlimited. We will definitely say they are limited. But when we talk about human wants, are they limited or unlimited? The answer would be definitely unlimited. So we want, we need, we require so many things. Can we afford all of them? Your answer is no, definitely no. Because we look into the price of that thing. We look into the price of that thing. Can we afford that or not? And how can we afford that? We look into our income. Is our income sufficient to afford that particular product or not? How can we know about that? By looking into the price. So we are willing to purchase that. We are willing to purchase that. But what will decide? We have to look into the price. So we can afford it or we cannot afford it. If we can afford it, then we can purchase it. If we cannot afford it, we will not purchase it. Simply we got the raw meaning of demand. Means the willingness of a person to purchase a product at a price for a period of time. That means next year I want to purchase a car. Of which brand? Suppose I want to purchase Ford Mustang GT. So I must know about the price. That's why I will start saving the income as per that. Then I will have a plan that in the next year I will purchase that Ford Mustang. So it will create a demand for me. It will create a demand for the market. So what is demand? Demand simply means willingness of a person or all the persons. Of a person, that means we are talking in individual perspective. For all the person, that means we are talking in the market about the market demand. As we can see, the market never consists only a single buyer. It consists a number of buyers. That's why willingness of a person or all the person to purchase a product, at a price for a period of time. That's a very important thing. For a period of time. Suppose I was looking for something else and if I found strawberries are very cheap in the market, they were being sold at a very low price. That's why I have purchased it. No, that won't be a demand. That means I must know about the price and I have not purchased according to the prices are. They are becoming the casual buyers. They have purchased those products only to the low price, But it is the demand has to be for a period of time. For a period of time, that is very important. So what are the main takeaways from the definition of demand? First is willingness. Second, price. Third, period of time. Now looking into the things, we must know that suppose someone never wants to purchase ice cream. Never, he was not willing. But at a point of time, he found that ice creams have become very cheap. That's why he have purchased. Next day, the price has become dearer. Price has increased, so he has not purchased. So his reaction was for a point of time only. For point of time only, not for a period of time. So that is not demand if we are reacting to the price. Demand, that means at a price for a period of time, not at a point of time. There are several buyers who have purchased strawberries, only due to the lesser price. But throughout a year, only the genuine buyers purchase. The quantity demanded and demand are different things. First one is demand and second one is quantity demanded. What is the difference? There is a hairline difference. Suppose I went to market for purchasing 5 ice cream. And I know that one ice cream is coming for $1. So these are the 5 ice creams I went to purchase, but when I went to the market, I found that the ice cream has become cheaper. Now it is being sold for $0.5 per unit. So I will purchase 10 ice cream. Why I have made my purchase from 5 to 10? Your answer would be price. Because I have reacted, and till when I can purchase 10? Till when the price is 0.5. But I am ready to purchase only 5 when the price is $1 only. But I came to know that 2 more people has come my home. So I need to purchase now 7 ice cream at the same price. My willingness has increased because the number of buyers have increased. The number of people have increased. That's how. The difference between demand and quantity demanded is at a point of time and demand is for a period of time. Is that clear? I will have discussed about the meaning of demand. Now, what are the takeaways? Willingness to buy a commodity at a price for a period of time, not at a point of time. If we are talking about point of time, then it will become quantity demanded, not the demand. Quantity demanded. Now coming to another aspect, suppose what are the differences between desire and demand? What is desire? An unfulfilled demand. What is demand? An fulfilled desire. The basic concept working behind that. What is desire? Desire is an unfulfilled demand. And what is demand? Demand is a fulfilled desire. I want a big house too. I want to have a BMW car. But what he doesn't have, he does not have the income. He does not have the income. Give me 2 kgs of apple. He knows the price. He has the money. That's why he has fulfilled his desire. So desire plus money, convert that desire into purchase, would become demand. So now you are aware, you would become much aware about the difference between desire and demand. Now the demand can be individual demand and market demand. As I told you about that, market means individual plus individual plus individual. Individual, that means suppose anyone like Nicholas and L, whatever the people are there. Individually they are demanding, that is individual demand. If we combine them, we combine all of them, then it would become market demand. Demand versus quantity demanded, we have discussed about that, for a point of time and it's for a period of time. Demand function is the functional relationship between demand and factors affecting demand. As we know that demand for particular good X would be a result of what? First of all, price. We'll look into the price of X. And we will look into the price of related goods. Suppose I want to purchase a car. Then I will look what are the price of petrol. That means both are complementary. And substitute goods. Substitute goods are those goods which can be used in place of each other. Like we may take example of Coke and Pepsi. If the Pepsi has become costly, we'll try to purchase Coke. So we'll have a decision by discussing each and everything. First we'll discuss about the price. Then we'll talk about the price of related good. Then we'll look into the income. How much income do we have? Income. Then taste and preference. Taste and preference. Like, do we like that thing or not? As you know, the preference has no cost. Because once you like a thing, you will purchase that at any cost. It doesn't have any cost for you because you like that. You will pay each and every penny of yours saving to purchase that. If you like that, then you will purchase that even if it is costly. But if you don't like that, if it is cheaper, then you won't purchase that. Then E, future expectations about price. Future expectations. Suppose you want to purchase a car and it is actually expected that in the budget, upcoming budget, the car will become some, there will be some reduction in the prices of car. So you will stop the decision, or you will not purchase that currently, you will purchase in the future because you know that the prices are going to fall. But if you come to know that the prices are going to rise, you will purchase it today. These are the factors that affect. Hopefully, each and every factor is clear to you now. PX, price of the own good, price of related good, that will substitute and complementary product, income of the buyer, taste and preference, and future expectation. So these are the things that plays a role in deciding the demand of a particular product. When things come to market, so here are three more things. YD. YD, that means distribution of income. Distribution of income. Distribution of income, and means number of buyer, as means season. That what season is going on. So YD, distribution of income. Distribution of income may be equal or not equal. That means unequal. If the distribution of income is equal, that means there would be no rich and no poor. All will be having the equal income status. That's why all the things purchased by all the buyers would be same. That means there would be no discrimination in the buying decision. All will purchase normal goods. That means there would be no luxury items and inferior goods. All will purchase the same category of goods. Those same category of goods will be in more quantity. They would be demanded in more quantity. Not equal, it would create classes. A rich class and poor class. Rich class will purchase some different things, and the poor class will purchase some different things. Now, N, number of buyers. If number of buyers increases, the demand will rise. The number of buyers falls, the demand will fall. Number of buyers. Suppose the number of non-vegetarian eater has increased, so the demand for non-veg food will increase. If it has fallen, demand will fall. As season, suppose something comes in a season. If season of those things are going on, they'll purchase it in the more quantity. If the season has just become end, so they will purchase in a less quantity because it's the availability in a less quantity. So hopefully the meaning of demand, factors affecting demand, and the difference between desire and demand is clear to you. And one more thing, the demand function, individual demand function, market demand function, and difference between demand and quantity demanded is clear to you. So meet in the next class. Thank you so much, everyone.